What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lifestyle Des, and today we are back with another video. And you guys can see I'm not sitting down. Your girl is standing up for once, so that means it's a little vloggy vlog. But today, you guys, we're gonna be cleaning my room and packing up the stuff I do have for college because time is ticking, y'all. I have exactly 27 days until your girl is out the door. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. There won't be much talking until I start packing stuff, but enjoy the vlog and like, comment, subscribe, and let's get it. Watch this. Hello, beautiful people of my Instagrams. Excuse everything behind me because it's all my college stuff, because everything from my college stuff is taking up my room. It is a college video, y'all, and let me tell y'all the tea. Stuff for school. So I was like, you know what? Maybe I should start packing some of this stuff up, but everything I need for school besides food, I'm gonna get that probably the day of I move in. Okay, guys, so it is officially 3:51. That is my starting time. We're gonna see how long it takes me to get everything packed. I'm gonna say an hour and a half. So first thing I'm gonna do is clean off the top of this so I can put stuff in the bins, but I've already made some custom label cleaning supply, stuff for my room, personal items, bathroom, and kitchen. So this will help me organize my bin. So let's get started. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna do cleaning supplies, and I'm gonna do personal stuff in this bin. So it'll be like cotton, you know, you'll see what I put in here. Bucket is already so heavy. Yo, I'm actually like already over it. Not even trying to be dramatic. I'm gonna finish packing and but I finished, you guys. So thank you guys for watching part 1 of my video. I know I didn't really talk too much, but part 2 I'll try to answer some more questions and talk. But if you guys want to see part 2 of me packing for school, check out the next video. Thank you guys so much. Subscribe to my channel and peace out. Bye, y'all.